2021. 2021 has been a rough year at the beginning and also at the ending, but that will determine our 2022. This is the story of my journey of 2021. Yes, it was rough, up and down, knowing that things won't be the same, things won't come to the real thing. I've been doubting the industry, I've been doubting myself, like, if am I going to make it up? Everything is going to work out? Why am I living the life I'm living today? It has been the year of self-doubt, but worthy fighting for. And this is the story of me in 2021.